Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, December 1st, Vlogmas Day 1.
Hold on, didn't get for the holidays, didn't get that pay raise. Gee whiz, a bucket dry Christmas. Gee whiz, a bucket dry Christmas.
So right now I'm going to get ready for church. I'm going to show the outfit I'm going to wear, so stay tuned for that. Alright, here is the outfit of the day. Something simple. Here is the shoe. I'm leaving out now. I'm gonna show you a bit of the service. Bye.
The war is on. You gotta fight. For a whole heap of people who was in church make people sit down right in and separate them. Somebody pass you and didn't say good morning. And you let that separate you.
Okay, I'm back home from the church service. Now I'm going to cook and prepare for work tomorrow. See you soon. I'm back. It's actually 9:59, almost 10 o'clock in the night. No. I finished cook. I watched a movie with my family. Tips on how to save money on Christmas. Number 1, make a card instead of buying. Number 2, save wrapping paper. Number 3, buy things that you need and not want. Number 4, buy clothes that you can wear year round. Number 5, try not to borrow from anyone. Number 6, create a budget so that you don't overspend. Number 7, turn off Christmas lights before going to bed, or you can use battery operated candles instead of buying Christmas lights. Number 8, DIY projects actually make good Christmas ornaments, so you can always make the ornaments instead of buying them and save them for next year. Number 9, don't buy expensive juices. Get the ingredients and make them for yourself, and you will actually get more out of it. Number 10, drawing and painting makes good Christmas gifts and house decorations, so you can always draw or paint or ask somebody to do it for you and give it as a gift to someone. So that's the 10 tips I have for you guys for December the 1st. So it's going to be a cheap Christmas this year, trying to budget, trying to save money, trying to do our best to survive for January. So thank you guys for watching my vlog today. It has been fun. It was a good experience for me to do this vlogging. I was so nervous at first, but now I'm trying to get used to the camera. So thank you guys for watching again. Please tune in for the next vlog, and remember, my internet is giving a lot of trouble, so I'm not going to be able to post every single day, but I will give you guys all the videos up until December the 25th. So stay tuned for my videos. I'm still going to do art projects and so on. Subscribe, share. Love you guys. Bye.